Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. Okay, in today's video we will be checking out the market to see how we can make up to $200 today. Okay, we usually do this once in a week, and in most cases it's usually turn out to be something positive for most of the subscribers. Okay, I usually experience people making over $200 on a day like this, and I'm really happy we are going to be having another edition together again. You get to see how I analyze using the same trading indicator that you are having. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we're writing. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the opportunities shared in my videos, do your own personal research about it to know how it works, how you can make some cool cash for yourself, and if it is what you truly want to do before you go fully into it. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away? So guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I said earlier on, we will be checking out all these assets. I will be using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis right here, and of course I'm on 5-minute time frame. I've always been telling you that these assets are all about trend trading. Okay, so if you don't understand how to identify the trend, you might find it difficult to trade some of these assets. You can see right here where we are the downtrend, and of course it kept on selling till it got to this support zone. It was unable to break out from here, so it started buying right from there. You can see the yellow flag and of course the blue arrow signifying an uptrend, and of course a buy signal. Okay, so it kept on buying until it got to this particular region. Okay, so it got here and of course it started pulling back. Okay, so this might not go for long. If it's unable to break out from this particular support zone, then it should go back into a buy trend until it get to this. But if it breaks out below it, okay, it will be looking out for this particular support zone. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so guys, you should take note of all that so that you can have a successful trading activities. Okay, so if it breaks out below this, then it's going to sell more and may likely get to the base support zone. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, but if it does not break out below all these, it will go back to try out this resistance zone and see how it can break out from there. Once it breaks out from there, we expect it to get to the topmost resistance zone, which is a major one. Okay, so this is very important. So guys, you should take note of all these and use it to milk the market successfully. Okay, these are places that it can get to if it breaks out below this support zone, but if it does not, it will go back to try out the resistance zone again, and of course see how it can get to this region. Okay, so you should take note of all this, but for now it is selling and it will try to break out from here first. Okay, so we should take note of that. Now let's move on, guys. This is boom 500. Okay, boom 500 started a downtrend right from here, and of course had an issue breaking out below this support zone around there, so it played around there for a while, went back up to break out above the resistance zone, and of course it bought for a while till it got to this region and started a downtrend again to break out from here and here till it got to this particular support zone. It has not been able to break out from here, so it went back on uptrend and finds it difficult to break out from this resistance. So you know it respected it around here. Okay, so this is actually selling back, and of course we want it to, I mean, it will be getting to this support zone. If it's unable to break out from there, to go back up to try to break out from this resistance zone. But if it breaks out below this support zone, then definitely we expect it to get to this region. Okay, so this is very important. Or probably, okay, we can split this into two, because here is a support, a little support zone again. So if it breaks out from here, we expect it to get to this, and if it breaks out from here, so we expect it to get to this region. Okay, but if it breaks out above this resistance, if it's unable to break out from here, to try out this resistance zone and see if it can break out from there. Once it breaks out from there, we expect it to get to this particular region. Okay, so this is very important, and if it breaks out from here, then it should go, I mean, buy more till it gets to the topmost resistance zone. Okay, somewhere here. Okay, so we should take note of all these, okay, and use it to milk the market successfully. Let's check out crash 1000. Crash 1000 has been on uptrend. You can see right from the support zone it started an uptrend, the yellow flag, and of course the blue arrows, and it kept on buying. There are pullbacks in between. For at each pullbacks, you have the opportunity to come in again. That is why you are having the blue arrows in order for you to come in. Okay, it broke out from this resistance zone to create a new resistance zone, and of course if it breaks out from there, it's going to keep on buying. If it does not, it will go back on downtrend. Okay, so if it breaks out from there, then you will need to go to higher time frame to check out the next resistance zone to know where it may likely turn back. Okay, but if it does not, we expect it to sell back till it got to this region, and if it breaks out from there, we expect it to get to this region also. Okay, and if it breaks out from there, it should sell till it gets to this region. Okay, so all these are very important. Okay, so the last asset you'll be checking out is going to be crash 500. Crash 500 had been on downtrend, had a major pullback around there, but still went down to break out below this support zone, and of course it is still selling at the moment. Okay, so it will be selling till the next resistance, I mean support zone. If it breaks out below this support zone, it will keep on selling. You may need to check the higher time frame to see where the next support zone is. Okay, because that is where we are most likely to have a pullback or a reversal in price action. Okay, so but if it does not, then we are most likely to experience a buy signal, and we expect it to buy till it gets to this region. Okay, and of course if it breaks out from there, it will definitely get to this region. If it breaks out from there, then here is another good place for it to get to, and of course if it breaks out from there, we expect it to get to this particular region. So all these are very important, so you guys should take note of all these and use it to milk the market successfully. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God